Ooh, it's cute. I like it. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Maya, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick, easy fall makeup look. But I do want to say before I jump in, give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more makeup videos from me. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this eye makeup, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette by Too Faced. It was just released recently. It is limited edition. Let me repeat, limited edition. Okay, so just know if you don't get in there within the next few weeks or so, it may be sold out and may not be coming back. And I have really missed my chance on a lot of eyeshadow palettes because of not paying attention or taking the limited edition thing seriously. So take it seriously, you guys. It's so freaking cute, you guys. It's this little mini eyeshadow palette. It has 8 shadows. And these are great shadows, you guys. Like the colors, they're shadows that you use on the daily. Like this is a great on-the-go palette. So I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette. But before I get into that, I'm gonna prime my eyes with some concealer. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade Deep Tan 165. I already did my face makeup, as you can see, and my brows as well. Everything is done already. I really just wanted to focus on the eye look for this video. I love this palette because it has the names directly on the back of it, of the eyeshadows. So it's gonna be super easy to tell you guys what I'm using. So I'm gonna start off with, you know what? I'm not even gonna limit myself to this palette because like for transition shades, sometimes I just need something a little different, you know? Before I go into that, I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Orange Soda. And this is a transitional shade. And I'm just gonna pop this like in my crease, kind of the upper crease, to give me a good transition. You should, like for your transition shade, you're not supposed to be able to see it really. It should be like kind of blending into your skin. So now I'm going to go into the Too Faced palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Toffee. I think that's it called. Yeah. I'm gonna use the shade Toffee. It's the orange. You guys know fall is all about oranges and reds and burgundies, you know, dark colors, warm tones. So you know, you can basically do this whole look with this one eye palette. So next I'm gonna go into this burgundy shadow here, and that is in the shade Make Me Melt. And I'm just applying this into my crease. You want to first focus in the outer corners. I had to switch brushes. You want to go with the small, dense brush for this, and then, you know, you'll blend it out later. But just to apply it, it's small brush. Okay, so that's one eye with that crease in there darkened up. I'm gonna do the other eye as well. Orange is giving me, it's just not as vibrant as I want it to be. Like, yes, this is like more of a soft look, but I just want my oranges to always pop somewhat, you know, or just to be pretty noticeable. I'm gonna switch over to my Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu, and I'm taking the orange that's in there. That orange is a little bit better for me. It just looks like it made more of a difference. So now I'm just making sure everything is blended together. Okay, so I'm liking the way the crease is looking. So I'm gonna go into my lid now. I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm just gonna take, and you guys, don't be overwhelmed about all the brushes I'm using or all the shadows, you know, like I said, you can do this whole look with just this palette, and you can also get a full eyeshadow brush set by Morphe. You can get them by Morphe, you can get them by e.l.f., you can get them by It Cosmetics, you can get them by BH Cosmetics. There's a bunch of places, you know, just, you know, look them up online. So I'm going back into the Salted Caramel palette. I'm gonna take that shimmery shadow there. It's in the shade Golden Sugar. Wait, no, it's in the shade Drizzle It. So I'm gonna take Drizzle It and I'm gonna drizzle it on my lid. You guys did not hear me say that. Ooh, it's cute. I like it. All right, so now that we have this all applied, I'm gonna just blend out my crease. Just make sure it's blended in nicely with this lid color. So I'm going back in with my brown brush, or the burgundy brown brush. Nothing new on it, and I'm just blending it in. Next, I'm going to go in with this shadow here. It's like a little brighter than that shimmery shadow, and that one's called Butter Me Up. I'm gonna take a little small brush and I'm gonna put this on the tear dot. That's pretty much it for the top of my eyes. On the bottom, this is a really important tip. You always want to put something on the bottom of your eyes. I mean, if it's a certain look that you're going for, where you don't want to have anything under there, you know, if you're trying to be like, you know, really specific or go for an aesthetic or whatever, you know, or sometimes I don't even do anything on the bottom if I'm doing a really natural look or whatever. But for this, I really suggest to go back under the bottom of your eyes, on your bottom lash line, and putting some eyeshadow there. And this is really just gonna change the look up like a lot. It's gonna take it from maybe about an 8 to a 12, okay? 10 being the greatest. So I'm gonna go in with, and you can really get crazy, get creative on the bottom. Like you can do a whole different color, or you can just kind of keep it in the same color family and do like the crease colors that are on the top. That's what I'm gonna do for this look. So I'm gonna go with the dark shadow that we used in the color, the Make Me Melt. I'm gonna take that and put that under my eyes. A good tip for this is to look up at your palette, to hold it up and to look up while you're doing it so that you can get a good, easy application. So I did the dark shadow. I'm also gonna go back and do the orange shadow as well, just to blend out that dark shadow that I put down there, just so it's not too harsh. For my highlight, for my brow bone, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use for that. So I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Glistening, and I'm just gonna apply this right under my brow bone. And you know, this just adds a little bit of a highlight. And you know, go back in and blend it out. Always want to make sure you're going back in and blending your eyeshadows together. And just to keep this video on the beginner friendly side, I'm not going to do any false eyelashes, but I will be doing mascara. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and I'm just using the Ulta Beauty Limitless Lashes Mascara. So I am pretty much finished with the eye look, you guys. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup. I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys. Definitely check out the Too Faced Salted Caramel palette. This is not sponsored or anything, of course, but you know, Too Faced, if you're interested, definitely hit your girl up, okay? Definitely slide in my emails down in the description box. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified on the next video that I post. If you like my videos, you'll definitely be able to see more makeup videos from me. So be sure to do that, and also subscribing helps me out a lot on my YouTube channel, on my journey. I am on a journey to reach 100 subscribers by December. So we are in October now, so we have like 3 more months to go. So definitely subscribe to get me to 100 subscribers by December. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.